God, the squirrels are crawling in and out the building. Open the window up for me. I can't open it up. Oh my goodness. Crawling in and out of the vent. Try to open the window up some more for me.
What's wrong with you?
I never knew that. You can open that up. Wow. One already went in the building. Oh my God, they keep running in and out. That's probably we're hearing through the walls. So I was wondering, how did the squirrel, who was on his legs right here, then it climbed up the wall, like so, like it's a damn tree. They climbing in and out of the vent things, I think, where the dryers are connected. Oh my God. Walking across the wall like Spider-Man. Look at this. I ain't never seen a squirrel walk across the wall like Spider-Man before in my life. Look at him going down the water spout like the itsy bitsy spider. Then he's going back up. It's like he saw one of his kids home and now he out. And the other one didn't come back out yet. Let me call this in. That's my neighbors over there.